Have you ever struggled to find an in-stock motor that fits your unique requirements? For example, if you're looking for a 575 volt washdown motor that also has a pump style jam shaft, this can be almost impossible to find in a local warehouse. Off-the-shelf solutions often fall short when it comes to unique applications, and trying to force a standard motor into a custom setup can lead to inefficiencies, higher costs, and unnecessary frustration. And waiting for a custom motor can take months. But there's a better way. Hi, I'm Keith. Welcome to part 5 of our 6-part Motor Modification Series. Motor shaft modifications are a fast, easy, cost-effective way to customize an off-the-shelf motor to meet your exact specifications. Common modifications include keyless shafts, replacing the shaft, TS shafts. Pretty much anything you can think of, we can do it. Regardless of the modification, it usually just takes a few days and your motor's on its way. A TS shaft modification involves shortening the length of the motor shaft. These are common in direct couple loads. We also receive requests for keyless shafts. The key on the motor shaft is a weak spot, so some customers will have this removed to increase the strength of the motor shaft. In some cases, we're replacing the entire shaft. This is usually to lengthen the shaft, or in some cases, to build a shaft out of a stronger material for very specialized applications. A common shaft modification request is stub shafts. These small but powerful components are used to attach shaft-mounted encoders, providing precise data on motor speed and position. Stub shafts enable accurate monitoring and control of the motor operations, making them ideal for automation, robotics, and other precision applications that rely on real-time data for optimal performance. These shaft upgrades can enhance motor performance and help you get your motor faster. Thanks for watching. At eMotorsDirect.ca, we make it simple to get the exact motor you need for your unique application. With reliable service and fast delivery, we're here to help you get your operations back up and running quickly and efficiently. In our next video, we'll explore vertical motor mounting modifications and how they can improve installation efficiency. Stay tuned.